Oh, some roast beef. If I could open this. Jeez, I got this thing sealed packed. You know what? Turn it the other way. Cut it away from myself.
Yeah. I'm going to be seasoning.
What you say? Those are done.
Not killer chemicals.
Yum, yum. Yummy, yummy. In the tummy. Red skin potatoes are the best. You can eat these whole. Did you know that?
You could divide the
I gotta
carrots
cut
up
up the
too.
onion too.
Oh.
These are thawed out because we left it out since what time this morning?
You?
Alright.
Your hard work and dedication.
Really?
You done chopped all the other ones. The potatoes are massacred. Someone chopped them into small pieces and left them live.
Oh, because I'm adding it for seasoning. I'm not going to really be eating the onions. Plus, when they start to cook down anyway. Ooh, some of these are like frozen. Water, but I'm going to use the broth. I need to set up a cup.
Yeah, no, just make it that way. And she poureth in the chicken broth that shall be added with the meat and vegetables.
You cook chicken with beef? Show do.
That's 1 cup there.
Show do.
Check that straight.
Ew. You would not drink. Would you drink that?
I don't know if it's safe. Is that safe? That's like drinking a whole can of soup. Just without the seasonings. Oh, did you cut that thing? Oh, no, poor. Now you playing with it. No,
What?
oh, the meat looks like it's becoming gravy.
Really?
Look what she did to the vegetables.
Turn it on high. And then.
No.
Yeah.
There's a flood going on.
Put a little bit.
Oh, that's that seasoning will make it brown. Oh, that makes sense.
I mean, when the meat's cooked, it's brown already.
What size is this? You know, it fit perfectly.
I know it's small. Cause remember when I tried to cook that ham in here? I mean, it cooked, but if that thing boiled over.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check on it in about 2 hours.
Mm-hmm.
It's 2 o'clock, so I'm gonna check on it around 4. Just let it cook. I turned it on. Yeah, it's starting to heat up. All right.
Sit.
It's been about 2 hours. Let me get a fork. Ooh. Smells good. Looking for the meat. No, it's not done yet. It's only been 2 hours, but oh my gosh, this looks good.
I'm not too cold. My feet are. How's you?
That's the meat right there. If you can see it. The meat right there. Alright. Let it keep cooking.
Ooh.
What?
Picking?
Gonna check on it again. Smells so good. Here. Oof. All right. It's been another 2 hours. I think I have, but the meat is not done yet. This is the meat. I turned it over. Need to let it cook for another hour. Then, by that time, it will be done. Yeah, the meat is still kind of not as tender as I like it. So, let it cook for another hour. Smells so good. Alright, so it's been 5 hours. This is what it's looking like. Pretty good, pretty good. Also, have some mashed potatoes and some corn and baby made cookies. They're so good. It's tender meat.